Solar panels, generating free electricity. Can you install this system yourself? It's not going to cost you as much as you think. Here's an awesome, easy to follow step-by-step video. Okay, now we have some heavy-duty 8-gauge wires. We are going to run these wires for the AC output. The inverter that we had in place before this LiTime inverter could handle 500 watts DC from the solar panels. The LiTime parameters will only accept 145 volts. So we're going to use the same panels, but we are going to rewire them so that they will work with the LiTime equipment. Now that we've wired one set of the panels in parallel, it has brought our voltage down from 160 to 115. It's now going to be compatible with the LiTime inverter. All right, we got the negative up in here. We're going to go ahead and get the positive to the solar panel up in here. Okay, there it is. They're both hooked up. Now we'll run the rubber grommet back up in here. So what we have done is run the wire here where we could plug it into a generator or just plug it into the wall. This will back charge the batteries when the solar panels just absolutely cannot produce any power. If you're in an off-grid situation, you'll plug it into a generator. But here where we're at this house, we're going to plug it into the wall. So the solar and the wall are both charging the batteries at this point. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is put the cover back over this. When I finish hooking the system into the house, my plan is for it to run the TV, the internet modem, the refrigerator, and the microwave and deep freezer. This is going to be a great backup system for them when their power goes out.